So here, all we're going to do is we're going to roll onto our side for this reclining Buddha. So please stretch your legs out long, and you want your waist to find its way to the floor. Breathing. And then all that's going to happen, that bottom leg will bend, top leg will bend, and we'll stretch up that leg. Now if your leg is bent here, it's okay. You still get the benefits of the pose. This really nicely releases the lower back. The more flexible you are, obviously the more you'll be able to bring your foot in towards your head, although nobody's counting, okay? Great, exhale, lower. Bottom leg extends, top leg will cross over. Now I want you to take a moment to press your hips forward. Press this knee back, press your hips forward. And then we will come up onto the forearm again. And here we go. Forearm side plank modification. Now if you're able to come into the full side plank, Vasisthasana, forearm variation, you can do that. Otherwise, just hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lower down. And we just switch sides. Reclining Buddha. And then that bottom leg will straighten, top leg bend, and extend that top leg. Breathe. Either grabbing the inside or the outside of the heel. Top leg can be bent or straight, whatever you can manage. Just breathe. Just do your best to get into the shape and breathe. That's all that we're doing. Part of the challenge with our yoga practice is getting ourselves beyond all this internal dialogue that we have about I can't, and my body, and this, and I have this pain, and I have this is not perfect, and this, blah, blah, blah. That's half of the battle. That's probably 70% of the battle. It's the mind. Okay, here we go. Press the hips forward, coming up onto this forearm. Inhaling and lift off. And if you're able, it takes a bit more strength. Holding. And then lower down. Amazing. Okay, so we're just going to come onto our back now. Supta Baddha Konasana, soles of the 2 feet together, hands in the low belly. Just let yourself neutralize all that, all those shapes that you made. Take one more spinal twist. This time we'll just pull both heels up to the pelvis and take this spinal twist with both knees. We'll fall away from the device. Inhale, center, and then the other way. Back to center, and then here we'll take Supta Baddha Konasana one more time as we prepare to go into Shavasana. Now you can rest here if you like this, if this is relaxing for you.